G'day mates, it's Donnie, and today we're doing a little bit on the smart car. Got to replace the PCV valve because the one that's in there was shot. Just going to show you the dodgy way that we're going to do that so that you don't have to do as much taking the engine out and that sort of thing. Right, first of all, this is the new one. So basically what you've got, top of the intake here, I've took the old one off. The old one had actually snapped in here. Pretty common problem for them. That actually routes from here, sort of sits like this, but it goes in under, behind the aircon. You can see the top of the hose at the very back. Put the finger on it, just down there. So as you can see, I can get my hand under there at the moment, but the reason why I've been able to do that is look at this dodgy trick. You've got a breaker bar sitting on top of the aircon compressor. Sure, we've leveraged it up, and that just gives us a little bit of extra room, and then hopefully we can pull that hose off that's at the back there and get this new dog in. So we'll see how we go. All right, we needed to get a bigger bar because the smaller one was slipping off this, a little bit dangerous, but you know, we're doing some dodgy stuff anyway. So that's jammed in on top of the aircon there, and as you can see, I've moved it around in a couple of different spots. Yes, this is bent, but you know, it's a cheap car. We're just gonna bend it back and put the cover back on and be done with it. It's gonna be a good time. And then in under here, you can see we've actually got the new PCV valve or non-return valve, whichever one you wanna call them. So that routes down in under. You can probably see it a bit better now. You can also see that green thing. So there's a switch that's, well, not a switch, a wire that goes to something on the top of the aircon. So I had to move that out of the way to get access to everything. And yeah, now it's back in. So just chuck some hose clamps on either side. I just wanted to show as well. So this is what they recommend that you do with the old ones. So down, that's the side that'd be down on the engine. So instead of actually going through and doing all this to try and get it from the top, what you can normally do, if they haven't, you know, broken it off where this one had been broken off, you can just sleeve it like that's been done, put a PCV valve at the top, and then put that in between. Yeah, so if you have enough of the pipe left, mine was broken pretty far down, just do it that way. Get a hose, put it on the top, it'll save you a lot of hassle. For this one, we had to go, you know, brand new the whole way down. So start it up in a sec, see how it goes. Rightio, let's have a look at this thing, just so that everyone knows, because this does confuse people if you haven't had one before. You've got to unlock the car, otherwise it's going to freak out. Turn it to 1 and put the brake on. So we're on 1 now. You can see we're in reverse. We're going to chuck her up into neutral. If you don't chuck her into neutral, it will not start. So anyway, now we go to number 2. And we're on and started, mate. Let's go and have a look at the back. It's pretty good. Everything seems to be working as it should. And it's not rough idling anymore, which is good. So, yeah. Annoying job. We'll have to bend that shit back down, but it'll be alright. Got a little bit of life left in her, I reckon. Just had me good mate, the hammer out before. Had this in under here. Bit of plywood. Smacked her down. Got it, you know, close to back to where it needs to be. At the end of the day, she's just a cheap runabout, boys. And all we need to do now, there we go. Sitting back in where it needs to sit. We don't actually have this, never came with the car. Fold back the old carpet, chuck her in. We're good to go again. Let's jump in and go for a drive. Well mates, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Of course, this is not the right way of doing this. The appropriate way of doing it is to lower the engine, especially if you have aircon. However, we're about doing things quick, so hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe. Cheers.